when you replace a cup seal on a Red Ryder, you don't need to replace the abutment seal because the abutment seal is part of the abutment itself. As you can see, it's a formed, hard plastic device. It doesn't get beat up like a leather seal, it doesn't deform, and it cannot detach because it's permanently installed on the back of the abutment assembly. So that's kind of a good thing, a plus thing. The negative is, because it's a fixed abutment, you can't swap shot tubes. And this takes away from some capabilities that the earlier guns do have. Well, anyway, what I wanted to show you was how to get this thing back together. All right, on the barrel itself, you'll note on one end of the barrel is a small oval. That small oval corresponds with the small casting in the base of this channel. So when you get ready to put this back together, the first thing you got to do is put that in a channel. You need to get it seated in there, which means it's supposed to be pretty firm. All right, we got that.